Are you planning a vacation to the United States to see its beauty as a tourist? Or do you need to attend to a business matter? If so, you're probably thinking about the hassle of getting a visitor visa. But you don't have to worry because the US government provides non-visa passage to a foreign national whose purpose of stay is either for tourism or business. For our tip of the week, we will be discussing the visa waiver program and how a tourist can visit the US without a visa. Let us begin by understanding what the visa waiver program is all about. Essentially, the visa waiver program allows foreign citizens visiting the United States for a vacation or business to stay in the country for up to 90 days without requiring a visitor visa. Now, here are some tips for you about this program. Tip number 1, check if your country is included in the visa waiver program. A visa waiver is available to citizens of the nations listed in the program, such as, and there are many of them, Andorra, Australia, Belgium, Chile, Croatia, Denmark, Germany, Ireland, Japan, Singapore, Taiwan, and many more. A list of the countries participating in the program can be found at the U.S. Bureau of Consular Affairs website, linked in the description below. Now, here's a bonus tip. Did you know that Canadians and Bermudans are exempt from the need for a visa? Yep, you heard that correctly. So if you happen to be a citizen of Canada or Bermuda, then a B1 or B2 visa to enter the United States is not necessary. All you have to do is present your passport at the border and explain that you're entering the US as a visitor for a business or tourism. Take note that you are entering the US by virtue of visa exempt and not through the visa waiver program. Tip number 2, prepare your visa waiver program travel documents. Let us now go over what you need to show or have in order to enter the US as a visa waiver program visitor. Before you go, check if you have the following: a ticket indicating a departure from the United States, an e-passport MRP, one with an embedded electronic chip, and most importantly, an authorization through the Electronic System for Travel Authorization, ESTA, before you board a US-bound air or sea carrier. An e-passport, which looks like to the right, it contains an embedded electronic chip as an improved security feature of the passport. Keep in mind, each member of your family, including newborn and children, are required to have their own passport. Also, you should make sure that the passport is valid for at least 6 months after you enter the United States. Tip number 3, get authorization through the Electronic System for Travel Authorization, or ESTA. Each visa waiver program traveler must obtain authorization from ESTA before traveling to the US. For you to obtain this authorization, you can visit the ESTA website through the link in the description box below. The application will ask for biographic information, details about your passport, travel plans, and security-related questions. Keep in mind that approval of an ESTA does not ensure entrance to the United States. Customs and Border Protection officers at the port of entry have the authority to allow or deny entrance to the US. And now, our last tip. Tip number 4. Know the limits of the visa waiver program. If you enter the United States under the visa waiver program, take note, you are not allowed for the following. You can't extend the permitted time of your stay. You can't change your status to another non-immigrant classification or apply for a green card without first leaving the country. Yes, there are some exceptions, but those are generally the rules. And that wraps up our tip of the week on the visa waiver program. Now that you know how a tourist may enter the US without a visitor visa, it's time to pack your bags and book a trip to the US where the American journey awaits you. If you found this video informative, then please like and share it with your friends who also want to go to the US as a tourist. And if you have any ideas for future videos or would like me to talk about a particular immigration-related topic, go ahead and let me know in the comment section below. While applying for a visa is relatively simple and straightforward, if you are having trouble in getting one or would like to discuss your case, feel free to reach out on our website, andresmejerlaw. Until next time, stay healthy and be safe.
Hey, did you like the video? I invite you to watch another video where I share more tips on how to protect your reputation as an immigrant. Until next time.